All right, I wrote it. Sweet. And she's still working. That's so beautiful, dude. I love that. I love that she can work while we work. Okay, so now let me create the nice funks file without bird eye. Thank you. Thank you. Get wallet trades here. Okay, looks like we're done. Dr. Datadog, I've successfully rebuilt your copybot and copybot folder completely free of bird eye and the MoonDev API dependencies. Config, my nigga. All configuration, including do not trade list with your requested token added. Wallet tracker.py replaces MoonDev API using our transaction module. Analyze pix.py uses deck screener instead of bird eye for market analysis. Nice funks.py trading utilities using our free modules. Main.py early buyer finder without bird eye. Bot.py main orchestrator. Then readme, complete readme. Okay, let's go ahead and see how it do. Copy bot. Okay. And then I just run the bot.py, I believe. W.get recent transactions. W.get new launches. Wallet tracker. Okay. Combined with raw data. PD concat. Okay. Raw data here. Processing. Okay. DF drop dupies. Analyze picks. Okay. Try trending tokens. PI data frame. Okay. Get current portfolio. N dot fetch wallet holdings. OG. Okay. Check sold balance with retries. N dot get sold balance. Okay. DF dot iter rows. N dot get position. N dot open position. N dot get names. Okay. Get names. How are we gonna do that? Get token info. Okay. Drop in replacement for bird eyes. Get token. Token info here. Decimals. Okay. I'm gonna pull up in my Helios as well. Helios.dev. Moondev.